everybody, today we are going to learn how to make prints using a foam tray like you would get at the grocery store. So it's important to find one of those in the recycling first and make sure it's nice and clean. And the next step is to cut it so that it doesn't have these edges here because we want it just to use the flat part. So we're going to, it's very easy to cut. You just cut along the spot that you want. So now it's flat. Usually they have an imprint on the back. You don't want to do that part. You want to use this part here. The next step is to use just a regular pen, maybe a pencil, or the lead might break. So a pen's probably a little bit better. You're going to draw your picture right into the foam. Now it's important to make sure that you don't press so hard that it makes a hole, and you don't press so lightly that it doesn't make an indent. We want to make an indent like this. So you kind of drag it along. I'm going to make a tree here. And it's okay if some of the pen shows. If you can see the colors, that's okay. The important part is this line here. So beside my tree, I'm going to do a house made out of some shapes. I'm going to start with a square and then make a triangle for the roof, a rectangle for the door, maybe a couple little square windows. Okay, now you can add lots and lots of details. You could make little lines along here on the tree trunk. You could put more squiggles here. You could add some details, a little person, a little sidewalk, whatever you want. The next step is to use water-based markers. Crayola is a great choice. If I don't have any at my house, all I have are highlighters. So highlighters will work just fine. So you're going to spread them all over, and they don't dry too fast, so you can spread it wherever you want. You can do one color on the whole thing, or you can mix the colors up a little bit. I only have 3 colors, so I'm going to use all 3 colors and kind of mix it in a little bit here. Let's see what happens. Let's see how the color is not going in all of the lines that I made. So the next step is to take a piece of white paper, press it on top like this. Just rub it around. Try not to move it around too much. Alright, and now we are ready to reveal. And there is the picture. It looks like this. And you can use this over again. You can make a whole bunch of these. You could use these to make a card. If you have folded the paper in half first, you could put the same picture on the front of each card. You can get creative and do that. Letters are super tricky because you need to draw them backwards so that they look frontwards on your paper. So you could try that with the edge pieces and give that a try. That would be fun. So have fun making some prints, and we'd love to see your finished results.